Hey guys, what's up? It's the Dog Lover, and today I will be getting an Umbreon. So I just am looking for my buddy, Eevee. And of course, Umbreon is an evolution. So you'll just go, you need to have 25 Eevee candies, at least. So to just do it, you would click the Evolve button and it'll choose at random. But if you want an Umbreon, you must rename it to Mayo. That sounds like mayo. Easy way to remember it. This website also has all the other names if you would like it. So Tamao, and then you click the Evolve button, and let the magic happen. So it'll kind of shine bright, and then it'll kind of close around, and it'll pop out as in, you guessed it, an Umbreon. It's pretty cool, to be honest. I mean, it'll show you have a new Pokemon. It'll still remain your buddy if it is. But thank you. So yeah. Hope you guys liked it.